Hi guys, SPP'd here, and tonight for you I'm going to try and pick this lock. It's quite an interesting little lock. It's like one of these cabinet locks. Got the bit there to take the plunger off the back. It's not a particularly well made lock, it's just something interesting I thought I'd show. It is called a rabbit. This is the 106, and as you can see there, made in Hong Kong. Quite a cute little lock. Anyway, here is the dastardly key, and as you can see, it's focus a bit better. Looks like there's only 3 pins in there. One of them is really low cut. Anyway, I'll show it in working order. It only turns, focus a bit, there we go, only turns one way, and when it does, the front pops out and it retracts the bit at the back. So let's push it in, yeah, nice click, just show it is locked up, in part way, and there we go. So I've had a little play with this, and I'm going to show you me picking it, obviously. So here we go. Really light tension into the lock, click. I think it's open, one more pin I think, and then we go, picked open. So pretty easy. I'm not going to strip this down. I'll show it back working again. I'm not going to strip it down because it's going to go for someone else, and I'll let them do a full detail of it if they can get it apart. So there it is out again. But this is the interesting thing I found. So playing with it, I thought, oh, I'll try and pick it the other way. The key doesn't work, but I'll try and pick it the other way. And it did open. And then I thought, there's something strange about this. So here we go, all locked up. Sparrow's pick into the lock, and there you go. No tensioner needed at all, and only picked 1 pin. Don't think it's a bypass. I think it is literally just pick the back pin and it opens. I haven't got any more of these to practice on with a different key bitting, but I'll show you one more time. So into the lock, it's locked up, into the lock, right at the back, picked open. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you're not going to use one of these on any expensive jewellery cabinets or anything like that, or work, but if you see them, interesting little mechanism. But for security measures, rubbish. Thanks for watching guys. SPP'd out.